Hello, once more. Welcome, my people. Today, I'll be doing a trade recap on Euro USD. This trade was taken with analysis only on the 5 minute time frame. The analysis was only on the 5 minute time frame, but I was always focused only on my one setup. It was actually a zero trade, as you guys can see, and it was a 1:3 week zero trade, which was a profitable trade. So, we'll get down into the trade breakdown, but before we do that, I would like to give you a insight on my trading system. So, getting into my trading system, I focus on three aspects, that is, three concepts: market structure, liquidity, supply zones. So, this annotation where you guys see up here and you guys see down here is just to tell you the direction of the market or the direction in which we are looking to take a trade. So up means we are looking for a buy opportunity, and down means we are looking for a sell opportunity. So basically, what is my setup talking about? Basically, in a situation where price is moving upward, creating a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, we are expecting price to react on a higher time frame supply zones. And once price reacts on a higher time frame supply zone, sweeping out liquidity within this previous high, we are expecting price due to that reaction to drop and provide a break of structure. That is, a new low should be created which is lower than this previous low, and due to this reaction causing this break of structure, we should also be able to identify another supply zone sitting within this reaction of the breakout. So, based on that, we should be expecting to be able to find areas of liquidity which we are targeting. As long as we are able to see areas of liquidity which we are targeting, we should be able to enter our trade expecting price to drop now and to take out that liquidity. Remember, guys, as price is moving upwards here, it should be able to take out some sort of liquidity, guys. So basically, this is what my setup is all about. And now let's get into the chart. And the same thing, the same concepts and the same system which I'm explaining here is the same concepts which I will be able to point out on my trade recap. So in my trade recap, what do we see? Okay, this area marked in orange is what I call the Asian session. The Asian session is the time in which the Asian market started to the time which the Asian market closed. So basically, Asian high and Asian lows are considered points of liquidity. Asian high is the highest point in which price moved during the Asian session, and Asian low is the lowest point in which price moved during the Asian session. So basically, due to backtesting and back experience, it has been proven that once Asian high and Asian low are being created, price will always do its best during the London session or the New York session to take out the Asian high and the Asian low. And so Asian high ended where this orange price ended, and beginning from here is, you guys can see, down is 7 a.m. That's where London session started, and London session started. Asian high was taken out, and Asian high was taken out. It means liquidity on the left has been taken out. And what do? We try to spot out market structure. Remember, guys, I have three concepts which I use in my system: market structure, liquidity, and supply zones. We've already spotted our liquidity. This was the Asian high liquidity and Asian low liquidity. Asian high liquidity has been taken out, and Asian low liquidity was not yet taken out. Now, what do we go to do? We go to the second concept, which is market structure. We started seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Price came into a 10-minute supply zone which was created in the past, and we saw a reaction which pushed price downwards. Remember, anywhere you see up is telling us there's a possibility of price to continue giving us buying opportunities, and once we see down, it's telling us there's possibility for price to start giving us selling opportunities. So as the market started creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, it was a previous low that created this high, which came into this supply zone. And once we saw a reaction within this area, price came down and dropped so much that it was able to sweep out this previous low to form a lower low. Forming a lower low below this previous low is telling us there's a possibility for a down, that is, there's a possibility for a selling opportunity. So what do? We are supposed to identify another supply zone that was formed due to this move, which caused this structural shift from buy to sell. And basically on the 5 minute time frame, and since we're on the 5 minute time frame, we're able to spot this 5 minute supply zone. And what were we expecting? We're expecting price to start moving upwards and to come into this our area and to give us our trade entry. And basically, since the area high has been taken out, we're expecting the area low. Sorry, since the Asian high had been taken out, we're expecting the Asian low to be taken out. So that was where we placed our take profit. And as you guys can see clearly, price upon coming within this our 5 minute supply zone, we saw multiple reaction, and at the end, the reaction was enough to push price downwards to go out down and take out this Asian low liquidity. This was a simple trade based on my simple setup, which I explained in the beginning. Stick to the video. Try to watch my videos. I have a lot of video recaps. Each trade I take, being it a loss or a win, I focus on my system, and you guys will be able to see I apply the same system over and over again on the long run. And guys, applying my system on the long run would give, with proper risk management, will give you a lot of profitability. Also, guys, comment on my videos, like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions based on my systems, if you have anything you want to learn based on my system, write down your questions on the comment sections and I'll be able to reply to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, stay blessed.